Come test drive the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security alarm, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, fog lights, brake assist, remote keyless entry, off-road package. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.